Golden Legs Road Warriors. Welcome everyone to the continuing coverage of the 2019 Honda PBA Philippine Cup, brought to you by the all-new Honda Click, the official motorcycle of the PBA.
Resume for this guy last season.
Yeah, he was Defensive Player of the Year chosen by the PBA press corps, and ano din siya, second team mythical. It's been a while since we've seen this man in a uniform, but welcome back, Kevin Alas, to the PBA. Hopefully, he'll be able to make up for lost time right now.
Na walang quickness dito kay Kevin Alas.
On cue! Let's take a look at this move from Kevin Alas, getting all the way to the rim and finishing with style. Yan po ang ating move of the half.
In order to strengthen that injured knee. And gone are the days, and Riza mentioned it, that before, when you have that kind of an injury, it is a career-threatening injury.
Right.
Not.
Ooh, bone-crushing screen by J.R. Kenyahan, and Kevin Louie Alas to the rim.
That is what you can actually attribute if you have a J.R. Kenyahan.
To be working with Coach Ryan and Riza Diaz. Prime, naka-prime mode sila. Speaking of prime, oh!
So active on the weak side, giving that one nice opening.
Ang ganda ng saloniahan, Missy Jan.
It was a great backdoor play, pero pagbalik naman dito, matatawagan ng foul. So happy to get the minutes, the extra minutes, and the extra shots.
Absolutely. Although it's a turnover there for Rain or Shine. Alas will try to finish ang kanyang pabiti na tira. Pasok niya, hindi down to 8. Erap, makakampi yan sa Gilas, Pilipinas. Erap nakapag-stop. Lead pass, and Kenyahan will finish. Leads down to 6. Alam ko yan yung advocacy mo, Coach Ryan, na kailangan ipaliwanag na basta ganyan yung rules natin, kailangan nila hindi.
And only because